Let's try to improve this drawing with a few shadows and tweaks. First, we add shadows between the corner of her eyes and nose, a little highlight on top of her nose, then a shadow below her nose. Her lips are a bit off, so let's fix that by resizing it and making sure the middle of her lips are aligned with her nose. Then let's make the top of her lips a bit darker than the bottom of her lips. Now let's add a bit of a shadow on her cheeks to make it look more three-dimensional. Let's add a shadow on the top of her eyeballs. That's a shadow casted from her lashes. Let's fix her lashes a bit and add shadow between her eyebrow and eye. Let's also add shadows underneath her hair because it should also cast a shadow. Let's add a bit more shadows and highlights on some part of her face. Also a shadow below her neck casting from her chin. Let's me work around her shoulders as well. So just a little work. I think we improved this digital art.